So we are looking at a science called as Neuro-Linguistic Program, NLP. N stands for neuro, though it's about brain.
Yes.
Okay. L, linguistic is language, program is. Okay. So how do we use language to program your own brain or somebody else is the science. Or what is the language that brains understand and how we use it is the science. Okay? It's a part of the science. It's an offshoot of it. So there are two people, Richard Bandler and Grinder. They formed this stream called as Europe Linguistic Program. They studied successful people and saw what made them successful. And based on that, they created. Right? It is to help understand yourself, help understand others, communicate with others. Not just that, it is also, you can use it for healing some of our behaviors, some of our past stuff that is very you to heal and we can use it. So it is very powerful. It's like you use left, right, and center by people, and once we start talking about it now, you realize, अरे हम भी तो ये करते हैं, हम जानते हैं. It's just there is a science that's which we are discovering today. Right? Now look at it. There's a word out over there. So हमें कैसे पता चलता है? यहाँ कुछ भी चीज है तो कैसे पता चलता है? अरे के जी हाँ. See, five senses. Issue. Okay, so we see, we hear, here, see, we smell, taste. We smell,
Yes. And touch.
touch.
Is touch.
Oh yeah. So these are the five these are the five senses that are there, right? All of us have it? Yes, start here. अभी किसी का स्कोर A, B, C पे किसी का 0 रहा है यहाँ पे हाँ अभी हम देखेंगे यहाँ कई जगह A, B, C 0 है नहीं है okay so you have to look at that but usually नहीं होना चाहिए because at the end of it we are using all the five senses to understand the world. Is it clear? Okay, so that's all here. ये है. अब when we look at five senses, let's look at it how it goes. हमने कभी लाइफ में केमिस्ट्री किया होगा? Yes. अभी या कोई भी. There is a input, there is a process, and there is an output. Listen to it, right? तो अगर input ही change हो जाए, process वही रहे, output change होने वाला? Yes. Is it? And that's what we're talking about. Our input to the world itself is this. If your input and my input is different, aren't we be different how we converse and how we communicate? Yes. That's the logic. So the way I see the world and the way you see things, the way I hear, the way you hear, is not the same. It's different, isn't it? Yes. One is preferred above other. Hence, one is different than another. Hence, this is the difference that we have is over here. अब ये difference क्या है कैसे समझना है ताकि कब so wherever the C is dominant, it is visual. Where here is dominant, audio is okay. Sorry, and this together is about the feeling, and it is guys. Yeah? यानी फैक्ट है ये हम तीनों हैं इसमें से एक चीज ज्यादा डोमिनेंट हो सकती है दूसरी we are all three of it one would be go dominant the visual is that is what do look at it and that's it goes like and it could have happened somewhere आपने ना काम किया बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल वो काफी सारा काम करके मेहनत करके रिसर्च करके आपने एक
document मिला या नहीं report, and lot of hard work is of it. And you create that and give it to the person who you are supposed to give. Say your boss, anyone users, and boss takes that or looks at it, और उनका conversation है ये यहाँ ऑरेंज कलर क्यों यूज किया तू? इफ यू गो टू पेज नंबर 7, 60 मोटो ब्लैक ही है, कई सिंगल स्पेसिंग है, जहाँ कई डबल स्पेसिंग है. ओके, ये ऐसे वर्ड्स यहाँ पे ठीक से स्पेसिंग ठीक नहीं है. एंड बाय दैट टाइम यू आर ऑलरेडी गेटिंग फ्रस्ट्रेटेड. यार कंटेंट इतना काम किया, उस पे ध्यान दो ना, ये क्या तुम सिखा रहे, कलर क्यों है, ये क्यों है. Is it happens? Why does that happen is for that person visual. कोई आया वैसा? आया कोई ना? Why does that happen? Because for that person, how things look is very important. The first thing that comes up is how things. वो looks नहीं निकाल रहे, लेकिन पहले उनको जारी दिख रहा है ये ऐसा क्यों है? And that's the reason they are reading the conversation at us. Okay. So people who are high on visual, for them, how it looks. I just asked you a couple of questions, and I want you to just pay attention to what. If I'll ask from here, so everybody will see. You have a vehicle, आपके पास vehicle. किस कलर की vehicle? Right? आपके ड्राइंग रूम में जो कलर है वो
सिमेशन लिखा
हाँ
मैचिंग कर रहा है ना.
हाँ ये जो भी एक्सेप्ट करना है आपको, जो आप बोल रहे हैं. आपके घर का जो ड्राइंग रूम है ना, वो ड्राइंग रूम का कलर क्या है? और बाइक ऑलवेज. तो ये दो सवाल हमें हमने किए थे. ये दो सवाल क्या थे? ये कंफ्यूजन थे. अभी क्या हुआ, जब मैंने कहा कि ब्लू कार का कलर क्या है, उन्होंने जाके कार एक्शन देखा, कलर देखा और आके रिज्यूमे कर. जब मैंने कहा घर का कलर क्या है, he saw the ball came in, but this happened in a fraction of second or a millifraction of second or a millifraction of second. His eyes went somewhere. Did you observe where his eyes went? Okay. Let's see. Slightly up, right? Up. It went up, right? Because for all of us, our images are all there. Doesn't matter we are visual or not, like question visual था तो doesn't matter. More often than not, there are visual people take to look up because they look in images. Images are important to them than looking images. So एक अगर visual बंदा है, बैठा है अपना सोच रहा है, he is lost in his world, probably looking up and thinking this is visualizing. So visual people tend to look up more often. And look up it doesn't mean look ahead, slightly above. Now, since they look at images and images come faster, more often than not, visual people speak faster than me. Any celebrities that come to your name, joke to your mind who speak faster than you? Farhan Akhtar, where he is not in a movie, but where he is in a conversation. Okay, put you there. Ravi Shastri, Asha Bhogale, Mohammad Assaruddin, Sidhu, Naujab Singh Sidhu तो होना ही चाहिए. Speak faster and often. Yeah. Okay. Also, for these visual people, how things look are very important. And when they say how things look, it's not just those things. How I look is also very important. Now look at these characters that we just look at. Naujab Singh Sidhu देखो, Ravi Shastri. Now Sidhu, turban tie, everything place coordinated, spick and span. तो ये visual people who उनके office में जाओगे, you would realize place for everything in this place. ठीक से सब रखा होगा ऑफिस में, कार देखोगे कार देखी प्लेस सही से सब रखा. Because for them being neat and tidy themselves and where they operate from, क्यों थोड़ा सा भी यहाँ आया
वो डिस्टर्ब करते हैं। More often than not, words आएंगे, it looks good, it appears good, it seems good, look appears, it's all about visual related. Okay? Since they speak faster, their breathing is also faster, but breathing is from the top of it. Yeah, and more often than not, visual are thin and wide. इसका मतलब हर बंदा जो पतला है वो visual है ऐसा भी है, या जो पतला नहीं है वो visual नहीं है ऐसा भी नहीं है. But these are general characters, the characters that we spoke about being visual. So if your scores are I1, visual, E. B, A, B, C, B, B, E. If your scores are I on B, and you are relating to what we are saying as well, you are probably
Having better visual preferences.
your preference is
Visual. So total score इसका सबसे high amongst the three is B. Here I have B by D. Look at B. Highest amongst the three. Okay. Okay. What's your score? 7, 7,
7.
7, 7, 7, 9, 9, 4, 9,
8.
8, 10. Okay. So these are people who would like to speak in visual words. They will prefer things shown to them. Yeah, will breathe very shallow, almost chest upwards. Yeah. अभी को वाइफ आके मुझे डाल देंगे तुम लवली don't you see up there Ravi? No, but never say I love you. Wife is an auditing. Okay. You never sit and talk to me. You never say I love you, पागल. अब आई क्या बोली कहीं पता कोई आपको तुम्हारी को लेके गया था नहीं पता नहीं क्या? When you know but you never speak and listen to me and feel that there is sweet nothing is expected in each other. And each so she is wanting to hear love and he wants to show love. ये 93.5 है, ये 98.3 है. कभी कभी से पैडविक पे आते बाकी रह पे अपनी दुनिया में ये अपनी दुनिया में पहुंचाते रहो. और अगर दूसरा केस हो जाए तो बहुत मजा. Wife is a visual. Let's understand each person. एक ही एक करते अभी आ गए थे कभी आता फिर मैच दिस मैच में आप पिज़्ज़ा बने. Let's do it. So sorry. फिर आते हैं फिर आते हैं. If we should when we are into with people we are visual. कई बार ऐसा होगा कि हम बात कर रहे हैं और सामने explain करना है तो they will draw things. या हाँ आप बात कर रहे हो and वो more drawing. They will draw something. They are drawing sketches पे हो गया. Because that how pictorial representation is important. कहीं जा रहे होगे ना, you would be going somewhere और रास्ते में किसी को आपने एड्रेस पूछ लिया कि मुझे यहाँ से स्टेशन जाना कैसे, बोले कि यहाँ से सीधा जा, फिर लेफ्ट टर्न दो, वहाँ पे ना एक बड़ा पौधा है, तो पेड़ से घूम के आ जाना, वहाँ पे एक घर है, तो उनके पास पेपर है नहीं, तो एक्चुअली वो हवे में ड्रॉ कर रहे हैं, but this man saying this is for you to take a clue कि ये बंदा विजुअल हो सकता है. अब ये क्यों जानता है कि कोई विजुअल है, कोई ऑडिटरी है, हम अपने बारे में तो समझ गए कि वो कौन है, सामने वाले के बारे में समझ रहे हैं कि वो विजुअल. तो अगर कोई विजुअल है तो उसका हाउ डू आई यूज इट मैन,
तो उसी की तरह समझ में तेरी समझ में
तो क्या करेंगे आप, क्या
Visual expressions working.
ड्रॉ करेंगे, राइट, स्केच करके बनाएंगे, वर्ड्स यूज करेंगे which is like it looks seems words speak faster than normal, right? तो उस हिसाब से it will be easier for that person to understand. उसका भी लॉजिक में थर्ड बताने की बात और तीनों कंप्लीट करके बात बताता हूँ. सेकेंड इज ऑडिट. कई बार ऐसा हुआ होगा आपने अच्छा रिपोर्ट बना के ईमेल कर दिया या उनके डेस्क पे रखा हुआ है और वो जनाब है फोन उठा दिया और आपको बोल दिया कि
रिपोर्ट में क्या था एंड म्यूजिक आपके सामने रखा है पढ़ लो आलसी अच्छा ये सब बात नहीं बोल रहे सामने नहीं लेकिन होता है ये होता है भाई बट भाई फॉर दैट पर्सन तो साउंड बाइट चाहिए और वो इजियर है उनको समझने for if our words are over there and looks uploaded, our images are over there, our sound bites are at the higher. तो अगर कोई बंदा ऑडिटरी है सोच रहा है who is looking somewhere at the eye point. I'm not saying eye contact, that's a different soul. Higher, the sound comes. Okay. So for first one it was look good. This is about sounds. And words are involved. Language, they will be very good at language. Pronunciations will be great. Picking up language is easier. एक बार बता रहे हो हमें आता है. If in your school days you could like आपने सुन लिया और आपके दिमाग में रह गया, more probably remember. Right? If breathing was faster over here, now breathing is normal. Speaking pace is also normal. Right? And speak rhythmic pronunciation. See, language अपने कहाँ सीखी? सुन के ही घर पे या बाहर सुन. स्कूल में गए, स्कूल में हमने ग्रामर सीखा. लैंग्वेज से बात करके सुन के ही, right? That's all. So that's an auditory sense. So if your scores are high on A, then you are probably, that's your style for motor preference. किसका स्कोर आया ए पे? हाँ, but did not आया जैसे I asked specifically 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm asking specifically because I observed it. When he was reading, he was not reading aloud, but his lips were moving now. Okay? When you read, and you will find that you are doing your lips because he is in a way making it sound to himself. So, again, go back to your study days also. If you were the one who kept on, for you to study, you wrote it down, you drew diagrams वगैरह, उस हिसाब से आपके समझ में आता था, you probably a visual person. अगर आप वो थे जो स्कूल में पढ़ते वक्त you visual, eyelids, numbers, you used to read aloud पढ़ने के लिए, you are probably. If you are good at practical, जब आप करते थे तो दिमाग में रह जाता. सुन के वो देख के नहीं, लेकिन कुछ किया and you are good at practice, you are probably third में थे. So we'll go to the third. कहीं हो गया होगा पहली बार किसी को मिल रहे भाई एंड बात करें वो आज शो ही नहीं या फिर आगे कंधे पे हाथ है हर बार बात करनी है तो पास आगे कंधे पे हाथ रख के बात करनी है you worried about what is this my son is not Joe and I'm not called Karan. अगर आपने किसी को कहा दिया या something नहीं है, at some point of the meeting, ये काटे के साथ खेलना इसका. ये पहले वो जो वर्कशॉप्स हुआ करते थे वर्कशॉप्स में ना वो चौका हुआ, तो वही बैठ के पीछे कुछ नहीं है हाथ पे तो या बैठा हूँ मैं तो So first one was visual, second one, this is about touch feeling. It's about chemistry. For these people, touch is important. If the images are over here, sound bites over here, you feel it out. Okay? कोई अखबार चिल्लाता है जोर से बात तो क्या होता है? Head down. You start to keep down. you start looking down because you are also accessing your feelings. कोई चिल्ला रहा है तो उस feeling mode पे जाएंगे ना? So for visual learner speaking faster already was a million. Chemistry is about speaking slow. Right? It goes about, it looks good, it sounds good, it feels good. So, these are the three guys and calisthenics are often very okay, and the breathing is right from the belly. Think about it. आप गुस्से नहीं हो, आपकी ब्रीदिंग क्या होगी? या कोई सच में आपके पास में है, तो आपकी ब्रीदिंग क्या होगी? बेली बेटी से दोनों टाइम आप इमोशंस एक्सेस करिए, राइट डीप ब्रीदिंग right? And they are slow to respond. Why I'm saying slow to respond is because they will process about how would it feel and then respond. That is, it's not slowly thinking, it's slowly responding. Because emotions play an important role.